Hey guys, I just wanted to pop on here real quick to show you how I want you to do this particular activity. So you can see here we have the word Thanksgiving, and you can actually press this move key down here, and then I want you to try to move around these letters to see what words you can make. So for example, let me look for a word. I'm going to go, here's A-S-K. That spells ask. So that has 3 letters. So I'm going to go on to these other slides, and here's 3-letter words. So then I would click on there and go type in the word that I found. And I'll go back here and I'm going to move around. Ask, no, that's not a word. Maybe I can start with this. Oh, there's a word, his. So again, I'd go over here and type it in. So you're going to keep doing that and challenge yourself and see how many you guys can get. Looking for 2-letter words, 3-letter words, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 9 if you can do it. See what you guys can do. Don't get frustrated. Have fun with it. And I'm looking forward to see what you guys create.